Welcome to this Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Slack API error missing scope. This error usually happens when your Slack app is missing the required permission to perform a specific action. First, go to api.slack.com and select the app you are having a problem with. Click on the app name, then scroll down until you find OAuth and permissions. Click OAuth and permissions, then scroll down to the bot token scope section. Now check which permission is missing for your action. If you are sending messages, add chat right. If you are reading channels, add channels read. Click Add an OAuth scope, then select the required permission. After adding the scope, reinstall the app to your workspace by clicking Reinstall to Workspace. This step is important because new scopes do not work until the app is reinstalled. Now go back and test your request again. In most cases, the error disappears once the correct scope is added and the app is reinstalled. If it still shows, double check that you added the correct scope and installed it in the same workspace. That's it. We just learned how to fix the Slack API missing scope error. You can fix it by adding the correct bot scope and reinstalling the app to apply new permissions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Stack tutorial video.